The best way to get the most out of your Mazda vehicle in the winter is to take the required measures to prepare for the challenges that accompany the changing seasons. This is especially true with electric vehicles such as the Mazda MX-30 EV. Factors including cold temperatures, icy roads, and snow all have the potential to affect how well your vehicle will drive during the season. Temperature extremes can also negatively impact the speed with which the battery can be charged. In order to reduce the impact of high and low temperatures, the MX-30 EV has the ability to precondition the battery. When the temperature drops below -5 Celsius, the onboard electric battery heaters turn on, ensuring the battery is kept at an ideal temperature. The system automatically activates whether or not the vehicle is plugged into a power source. However, if the vehicle is not plugged into an electrical source, the thermal management will deactivate if the state of charge of the high-voltage battery drops below 30%. If you are going to be away from your vehicle for an extended period, you can turn off the preconditioning to preserve battery life. This is done through the Mazda Connect system in the vehicle. Additionally, within 9 days of inactivity, the My Mazda app can no longer be used to control the vehicle as the system goes to sleep to protect the 12-volt battery. To awaken the vehicle, you need to start your EV by pressing the power switch to on in the vehicle. It is normal to see increased energy consumption during colder months. To maximize range and efficiency in the cold, take extra steps to keep your battery warm and conserve energy. Preconditioning the interior temperature of the vehicle while plugged into a level 2 charger is an effective way of maximizing range. Heating the interior of the vehicle and defrosting the front and rear windshields while connected to power reduces the load on the battery once you start driving. You can precondition the interior temperature of the vehicle even when not connected to power. However, this will negatively impact the effective driving range. You can schedule when the interior is preheated or cooled through the Mazda Connect interface. The heater or air conditioning will stay on for a maximum of 30 minutes and can only be restarted twice before the vehicle is moved. The steering wheel, driver's seat, and passenger seat can be set to heat up when the vehicle is plugged in. The climate control system can also be turned on from the My Mazda app. This enables you to turn on the front and rear defroster, as well as the available front wiper deicer on the GT model only, so that the windows are clear when you are ready to depart. You can precondition the interior of the vehicle even if you aren't plugged in. However, if the state of charge drops below 30%, the system will automatically turn off. We recommend using a level 2 charger when preconditioning the interior of the vehicle and the battery. A level 1 charger will not provide enough power to charge the battery and simultaneously precondition the interior. A snowflake icon may appear on the instrument cluster for near-freezing ambient temperatures and is a warning about road conditions. If your car battery is too cold to access all of its stored energy, you may also notice that battery power and regenerative braking are limited. Charging, driving, and preconditioning are all ways to warm your battery more quickly. Getting the most out of every vehicle in the winter, including electric vehicles, requires preparation. Be sure to do the following to get the most out of your MX-30 EV this winter. Install winter tires, even if you don't get snow where you live. Winter tires offer better grip in temperatures below 7 Celsius. Ensure that you stay on top of your factory recommended maintenance. Your MX-30 EV doesn't require an oil change. However, your tires, brake system, and electrical systems all need to be checked regularly according to the factory recommended maintenance schedules to ensure they stay in optimal operating condition.